Hello. I will now try to explain the smart contract for learning. This is the project for the C-Day. The reason we would like to use a smart contract for online learning is because online learning has been a very growing market, as we do see that due to also the epidemics and such, it can play a very key role. And as we see that 98% of US corporations use online learning by 2020, and we already see a growth in it. E-learning market has $300 billion closely cap, and we shall see more increment in these. What smart contract really is, but smart contract originally was a concept that originated back in 90s, but its real implementation has only been seen recently due to the development of blockchain and such technologies. So as what a contract really does, it's basically binds two people together on a certain agreement that has to be completed with the time being. And the reason it is so smart is because there is no need for third parties. There's no need for other organizations to be constraining the agreement. And it works pretty much automatically by itself, and it has multiple different benefits than a usual classic contracts that we see. And the benefits that we see are that it is very transparent, as both parties are able to know of what is really happening. It's very flexibility because either the host or the client can be able to adjust according to the needs. And there is no need for a third party to authenticate any of the payments or whatever services that are being provided. And it's also has been proven to be highly secure. So what we are trying to propose is to use smart contract for some arbitrary purpose of teaching, for example, in terms of giving education for English or math classes. And so the model, as we are currently conducting on as a test, is basically going to contain a host, which can be either the instructor or the professor or an assistant that is trying to provide the service. And he can be able to link through the web API protocol, which will allow him to create a smart contract and be able to upload it on a blockchain. And once that is done, so model 1, 2, 3 are basically the product that is going to deliver with time. So for example, if the client is able to finish mod 1, then he moves on mod 2 and then mod 3. And so this is all restrained by the smart contract itself. And as the client learns, he is able to pay the host accordingly due to the flexibility of the contract. Currently, we are now the testing phase. We're trying to find experimental results for this project and to see also where it can further lead. So the software kit that we're trying to tend to work on is on a Ethereum-based blockchain model that we're trying to use. It does use Solidity for its programming, which is mostly based on C and a bit of JavaScript. Node is used as for the backend servers, and Go and Rabbit messaging queue protocol are used in between the message brokers. And thank you for your time.